grinding, and we stay ballin', and we stay ducky, we grinding, and we stay ballin', and we stay ducky, we grinding, and we stay ballin', and we stay ducky. The candy paint, and that's 140 on the dash, so I'm mashing in the whip, full throttle on the gas. That's a big block engine while them 23 spinning. Hey, I'm all about extending while I'm blowing on this hash. Got a big pretty chick and I'm just pounding on her ass. She say, you the shit, no doubt I am the man. Popping collars like them trick niggas popping rubber bands, with the left grip in the brain and the tool in the other hand. It's a street the king like a 60-year-old man. Hey, I gotta get this crop and keep a watch out for them cops. And my stacks all in order for the re-up on the block. Hey, the Cooper's looking real, so the chickens start to flock. Because we grinding, and we stay ballin', and we stay ducky, we grinding, and we stay ballin', and we stay ducky, we grinding, and we stay ballin', and we stay ducky, we grinding, and we stay ballin', and we stay ducky, we grinding, and we stay ballin', and we stay ducky, we grinding, and we stay ballin', and we stay ducky, we grinding, and we stay ballin', and we stay ducky, we grinding, and we stay ballin', and we stay ducky.
Yo, up all night, just the cooking and the whipping, man. Raise the blade in 1 pound, B12 in the other hand. I'm about to make this work stretch like it's warm up to something like elastic, and that means more fun. Block bleeding shear, the hook gon' need bandages. Plus a carry Ruger 89 for the savages. The whip like a hardware store, a lot of hammers in. All up for the account, so when one ready to let go. Right through your echo, I hear the shots echo. I smash the 8 and take down the petrol. I'm gon' chrome spin like the room when you roast it. But it's 2 miles an hour, so they see me when I'm posted.